me. And I am cooking homemade tacos, my favorite food. So let's get to it. What I have is tomatoes, what's this? Spinach that I washed off, onion, a jalapeno, and that's gonna be like the veggies that goes on top of the tacos. I'm gonna chop this up real quick. I'm really the only one that really eats tomatoes on my tacos in my household. This is baby spinach. Sometimes I use lettuce and sometimes I don't. I'm the only one to add onion. I love jalapenos. Okay, that's gonna be it for that. That's my baby spinach leaves, my onions, my jalapenos, and my tomatoes to go on top of my tacos. Okay, you guys, I got all my seasoning I'm gonna put in my meat: black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin. Slap your mama's season. Ooh. Using ground chuck. Brown chuck. Woo, hot. Get it to cooking. Get it to cooking, baby. Cooking. And stirring it up, whooping it up, stirring it up, whooping it up, stirring it up, whooping it up, stirring it up, whooping it. Baby, is this hot? Let me show you my meat. Woo, hot. There go. Ooh. Y'all smell the cumin. It smells like chili. It smells like chili with some cilantro. So that's the taco meat, baby. And make a taco right quick, baby. Make a taco right quick, baby. Woo, hot. Gonna let's get to it, baby. Sour cream, some spinach, some onions, some tomatoes, and some picante sauce. And there you go. Woo! Homemade tacos, baby. Take a bite. Oh, hot.